Hey guys, this is Adam from Dmax Swap'd. Just wanted to talk to you a little bit about our standalone T-case harness for the NP263XHD. It's really common. Guys are really digging the Dmax Swap'd in classic trucks, hot rods, and things like that. But when you're building a four-wheel drive Dmax powered vehicle, it's really nice to run the electric shift T-case. It's a really strong case. There's really no disadvantage of running that over the manual shift, other than having a nice clean way to control that transfer case. So what we put together is a custom harness here. As you can see, it's all brand new connectors, new terminals, new wires, with all custom tailored lengths, plenty of room to get down to your T-case, even in a 6-door Suburban or whatever it may be that you're trying to build. It comes with a pre-programmed transfer case control module, a brand new switch, a front axle actuator, which you may or may not use. Some guys are doing a frame swap and are keeping the front axle. Other guys are doing solid axle swaps and won't need that, but it is critical to have that as part of the system. Oftentimes this will just be mounted under the dash if it's not being used, and gives you a really neat little audible click or actuation to hear that the truck's in four-wheel drive. Pretty simple to install, really. These connections go to your switch. You've got your connection to your transfer case control module, the plug for your encoder motor, that plugs into the front axle actuator really simply, again with all new connections, and just a few simple connections here to the vehicle to get it all working. Obviously the details of how to wire this are on the resources tab on our webpage right at the top, so you can look at that. But we do also label each of these wires very clearly so that you can see that it's a 2-amp fused connection. This is a battery 12-volt positive connection. You're also going to have an ignition wire, again labeled very clearly, so it's pretty easy to put this stuff together. There are 2 critical communication wires. One here is the serial data input wire. This will connect to your OBD port in your standalone harness, which we also sell on our website. And then you'll have a transfer case control module 4-wheel drive low output signal wire. Now in the case of the LBZ or LMM, as it designates here, it'll go to terminal 42 on the TCM. For the LB7 or LLY, in our standalone harnesses, there is a 4-wheel drive low input wire that makes it super simple. You just connect the 2 gray wires and you're rocking and rolling. If you've already built a truck and you don't have our harness, we can tell you where to connect that to both the ECM and the TCM for it to work. So what's cool is you can use that NP263 case all the way from a 2001 to a 2010 drivetrain, and it works really clean. Bolts right in and everything functions pretty simply. So just wanted to kind of talk to you guys a little bit about it. You know, a lot of people ask, hey, I can pull the parts out of another truck. Can I send you the old one from my donor junkyard truck and you can help build it? We've done that in the past, and because of issues created with corroded terminals and improper wire lengths and stuff, we decided to invest in the tooling to build this thing new from scratch. So that's why it costs a little more. And yeah, can you do it yourself? Most likely, but if you want a plug and play, really clean solution, this works 100% of the time and is really quick and easy to use. So check it out on our website, guys, and we look forward to seeing some more of your cool Dmax Swap'd projects for sure.